Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Have you ever watched those cool whiteboard animation videos and thought, man, I wish I could make one of those? Maybe you've tried before and got stuck in complicated software. Or maybe you hired someone to do it, paid way too much, and weren't even happy with how it turned out. Sound familiar? Well, good news. I've got something that will change everything. It's called InstaDoodle, and I've dropped the official link in the description so you can grab it while it's still available at a massive 87% discount, just $37 one-time payment. No monthly fees, no crazy learning curve, and it's yours for life. So here's what makes InstaDoodle so special. It's the first ever AI-powered doodle video creator that turns text into professional, eye-catching animations in just 3 clicks. You don't need any design skills. No need to install anything either. Everything's 100% cloud-based. Just log in, type what you want your video to be about, and Doodle AI brings your vision to life like magic. You get access to over 1,000 Doodle elements, tons of male and female hand styles, and a built-in image-to-sketch converter so you can even turn your own logos or images into animated doodles. Want to add voiceovers, background music, your own narration? You can do all that too, and more. Plus, InstaDoodle renders everything in HD quality, right in the cloud. No lag, no waiting around. And let's talk results. Whiteboard videos are proven to boost sales by up to 47% because they grab attention and keep viewers engaged. That's why marketers are using this for ad campaigns, educators are making lessons fun, and small business owners are creating stunning explainer videos that used to cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars to produce. But with InstaDoodle, you're not stuck waiting on freelancers or wrestling with confusing tools. You're in control. You can create unlimited videos, test new ideas fast, and get professional results every single time. Whether you're building a YouTube channel, selling a product, or teaching online, this tool makes it easy and affordable. And just so you know, InstaDoodle is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got zero risk. If it doesn't blow you away, you get a full refund. No questions asked, and you still keep the videos you made. That's how confident they are in this tool. So don't wait. Click the link below, lock in your InstaDoodle license for just $37, and start creating videos that actually stand out. If you've got an idea, a product, a story, or even a lesson to share, InstaDoodle is the fastest, easiest, and most affordable way to bring it to life. Go get it now, and I'll see you in your next animated masterpiece.